English shortened newspaper dictation important topics 90 words per minute. Start. The Supreme Court on Monday asked the government whether it has taken a decision to not pay ex-orges to families who lost their loved ones to COVID-19. Is there any decision taken that there is no need to pay ex-orges? Is there a decision, or is it a case of no decision? Justice and asked Solicitor General, where is the decision that there is no need for exordition? Justice, the other judge on the bench, also inquired. He even asked whether the government, by maintaining that COVID-19 was not a one-time disaster, was inferring that the Disaster Management Act would not apply to the pandemic. The questions from the bench came even as the Union government clarified that it had money, but the focus was on utilizing funds for food, medical care, oxygen, vaccination, and pumping up the economy rather than pay a one-time compensation of rupees 4 lakh each to families of people who died of COVID-19. It is not that we do not have money. It is that our focus is rather on expenditure for other things like public health interventions, social protection, and economic recovery for the affected communities. Mr. Submitted. He said the contents of the government June 19 affidavit explaining its financial priorities for COVID-19 management was twisted and misrepresented on Twitter. Justice said the government need not defend itself in court against what was said on Twitter. He, however, agreed that was right to clarify, to say that the center has no money as wide precautions. He observed. Senior advocate for the petitioners said, but if they do have the money, why should they not comply with their statutory obligation under Section 12 of the Disaster Management Act to provide exorges to COVID-19 victims? The government had itself declared COVID-19 a national disaster. He submitted. The petitioners have highlighted a 2015 notification which requires the government to pay an exorges of 4 lakh each to victims' families under Section 12. Stop. If you want any dictation, comment. Definitely I will upload the dictation. In description link, lot of newspaper dictations with PDF link. If you want this dictation PDF, comment. Definitely I will upload the PDF dictation, PDF outlines. Thanks for watching.
லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. அப்போதான் உங்க ஃபோன் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனை தேடி வரும்.